So I have a question regarding the moon sighting on Ramadan, because I know there's a lot of confusion between countries saying that some should follow Saudi Arabia.
Moon sighting, the most authentic opinion is that it is region related. And this is the hadith in Sahih Imam Muslim, where Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, after a whole month of detecting the moon in where the caliphate is, and that is in Syria, he said that we follow our own moon sighting and you guys in the caliphates follow your own moon sighting, which means that it is region related. And he attributed this to the Sunnah. So the Sunnah is that you guys follow your own moon sighting. Now, some folks say that we in Britain could not do this because the vast majority of cases there are clouds that hinders our sighting of the moon. And due to the amount of factions and difference of opinion among different sects, cults, and masjids and Islamic centers, it is difficult to unite the Muslims. So some scholars say that because of this situation, in order to preserve the unity, and due to the actual difficulty of sighting the moon, and this is not a one shot in a month, that this is throughout the whole year due to clouds and difficulties of detecting and sighting the moon, some would say that, yes, follow Saudi Arabia. And I personally believe that if the religious authorities in the UK, the majority of them say that, yes, we will follow Saudi Arabia in that, that would be fine, inshallah. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.